Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Learn How to Sudoku, where we take a very easy variant Sudoku puzzle and we break it down in detail so that you can learn how to Sudoku. Today's very easy puzzle is called Oyster by Michael Lefkowitz. And here are the rules. We need to place the digits 1 through 5 once each in every row. Oh, interesting. Column and irregular region. Digits connected by a white strand are consecutive. So this digit is connected by a white strand to these cells, so it must be consecutive with both of these cells. And this digit is consecutive with that digit. So say, for example, this was a 4. These would have to be a 3-5 pair, because those are the only digits which are consecutive with 4, and the white strands between them indicates they must be consecutive. Digits connected by a black strand are in a 2-to-1 ratio. So these must be in a 2-to-1 ratio here. If we had a 2 here, this would have to be 1 or 4 to maintain the 1-to-2 ratio between them. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's learn how to Sudoku. Okay. This digit is consecutive with 2 unique digits, and this digit is consecutive with 2 unique digits. This digit is in a 1-to-2 ratio with one of these, so this has to be 1, 2, or 4 to be in a 1-to-2 ratio, with one of these digits being a 2. In every row and column, you're guaranteed to have the digits 1 through 5. So that includes this row here, and this row here, and this row here. This is consecutive with 2 unique digits, so it has to be 2, 3, or 4. This is consecutive with 2 unique digits. It must be 2, 3, or 4. So this must be 2 away from this digit here. And this digit must be 2 away from that digit there. So we're guaranteed one of these is a 3, right? It's either 2, 3, or it's 3, 4 to be consecutive. So one of these is a 3. We know these two digits are the same because we have these digits are all the same in the row except for this one. So the remaining digit must be here. This digit cannot seize both of these, so this must be the same digit. So let's label these, color these, right? This digit cannot be either of these 3, so it has to be one of these 2 here. These are consecutive, so it cannot be the same digit. This digit can't be here, this digit can't be here, so it's one of those 2. These digits both see this digit here. So this red cannot be this digit here, it's one of these 2. In this region here, this red digit must be one of those 3 then. Where else can these digits be? This is not the same as this. Okay, this cannot be, this is not the same as that digit. And it can't be the same as any of these. So this digit has to be, can't be here, it's one of those 2. Okay. in... Okay. So, where is this pink digit in this box here? Can't be here. It must be one of these three, which means pink can't be here. Where is pink in this region here? It must be this one. So this cannot be red here. This is pink, which means this cannot be pink here. So this, again, this cell, where is this cell in this region here? Cannot be here or here. It must be one of these three. Therefore, in this row, it cannot be here. In this region, it can't be here or here. It can't be here because this is a 1-to-2 ratio. So pink has to be there, which means red can no longer be there. Where is red in this region here? It must be here, which means this can't be red, which means red has to be there, which means this can't be red. Where is pink in column 1? Cannot be any of these because if pink's in the row, pink has to be one of these two then. So pink has to be in column 1, one of these two cells. Where is pink then in column 6? It must be one of these two cells here. Okay. This cell has to be the same as that, so we'll mark that as blue. Blue cannot be here. Blue has to be one of these two cells here. So where is blue in this row here, row 5? Cannot be here because of blue in the region. Can't be here because that's red. Can't be here because of blue in the column, so blue has to be here. Where is blue in column 5? It must be one of these two. And then blue in column 4 cannot be here, so it's one of these two here. So we're going to make this orange, and I guess we'll make this yellow. So those are the remaining digits. Orange cannot be any of these digits here. So orange has to be one of these two. Yellow can be any of these three. This must be a red-orange pair. Well, what's the remaining color missing in this region? It has to be yellow. So yellow is in 1-to-2 ratio with each other. So we're guaranteed this must be a 2 here, which eliminates 2 from the rest of the region. So this is 3 or 4. We have yellow here. This is orange. This cannot be. This has to be. This sees all 4 of these cells, so it must be the same as that, which is orange or red. That orange or red pair eliminates orange or red in the rest of the column, so this can't be red. Therefore, this is pink and yellow. Well, where is red in row 4 then? It has to be here. So this cannot be blue, it's red, which eliminates red here. That's orange, which eliminates orange here. That's red, which eliminates red here, so that's orange. Okay, this must be yellow or pink here. Therefore, we have blue here, we have blue here. Where's blue in column 2? Actually, what are these colors? It's blue and yellow. That leaves this as orange and pink. Blue means this can't be, we don't know. One of these is blue. So this could be blue, yellow, orange, and pink. This cannot be pink, so it's blue, yellow, or orange. This is pink and orange. And we have yellow or pink here. Okay. This can't be orange because of orange in the row. So this is yellow, which eliminates yellow from the rest of the column. and row. So this can't be yellow, that's pink, which means this can't be pink, that's yellow. That eliminates yellow from here, so this can't be yellow, that's blue, which eliminates blue from here, that's yellow. This cannot be blue anymore. Where is blue in column 4? It must be here. So this is blue, which eliminates blue here. Where's blue in column 5? It must be here. This is orange, pink as a pair. This is consecutive with orange, so this cannot be orange. It's pink, which means this can't be pink. It's orange, which means this can't be orange. It's pink. No pink here. That's orange, which means there's no orange here. That's pink. No pink here. That's yellow. No yellow here. That's orange. Orange eliminates orange there. It's yellow. No yellow there. It's pink, which means this can't be pink here. So, we know blue, red, blue, red, orange, and pink are consecutive. So that's 1 through 4 or 2 through 5. We know yellow cannot be 5. So it cannot be, this cannot be, so we need a 5 somewhere in this set. And we know pink then, okay, yeah. Yellow is not part of this consecutive set here, right? You go from blue to red to orange to pink. Yellow cannot be 5, so this must be a set of 2 through 5 to be consecutive with all of these different digits. Well, pink can't be 5, so blue must be 5, which is only consecutive with 4, so red is 4, which is only consecutive with 3, so orange is 3, which means pink must be 2, and yellow must be 1. And that's how you solve it. Pretty straightforward. I like these actually. These are non-standard, these irregular region Sudokus, which have more regions than actual than the numbers that you need to supply them with, right? I think there are 7 regions here. Yeah, because there's 7 rows and 7 columns. But there are 7 regions here and 7 rows and 7 columns, all of which must contain the digits 1 through 5 once each. So I like these like little sort of makeshift irregular region Sudoku with more regions than digits. So yeah, I don't know how to explain it. I like this also because of the coloring. It's fun to color stuff for me. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Learn How to Sudoku, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.